朋友们好，我是刘老师。Today, let's learn how to use 的。的 is one of the most commonly used word in Chinese. It is very rare to have a Chinese sentence without 的. The function of 的 is to connect a modifier with a noun. However, Chinese native speakers tend to drop the 的 in these two sentences. 我的爸爸是记者，他真是一个好的老师。Why is that? When it is compulsory to use 的 and when is the use of 的 optional? The key lies in the type of modifiers, which can be a noun, a verb, as well as an adjective. When a noun, including a pronoun, modifies another noun, it is not necessarily a possessive relation. In other words, 的 may have a broader meaning than the English s. 我的书包 my school bag. 日本的樱花 cherry blossoms in Japan. 上海的天气 the weather in Shanghai. 公司的情况 company profile. 木头的椅子 wooden chair. We can omit 的 when a close personal relationship is involved. Family, close friends, boyfriends or girlfriends. For example, 我爸爸 my father. 他哥哥 his elder brother. 你女朋友 your girlfriend. This omission of 的 extends to an institutional or organizational relationship. 我们公司 my company. 我们学校 my school. 你们单位 your organization. Thus, when translating my into Chinese, you have to do it flexibly according to the situation. My computer, 我的电脑 My mom, 我妈妈 My university, 我们大学 When a single adjective modifies a noun, you have to pay attention to the number of syllables of the adjective. A one-syllable adjective usually doesn't take 的, yet it is more common for a two-syllable adjective to take 的 when modifying a noun. For example, 小朋友 little friends, 大公园 big parks, 好老师 good teachers, 认真的朋友 serious friends, 漂亮的公园 beautiful parks, 严格的老师 strict teachers. As for adjective phrases, it is obligatory to take 的 to modify a noun. For example, 很小的朋友 very little friends. 特别好的老师 extremely good teachers. 很高的建筑 very tall building. 非常漂亮的风景 really beautiful view. Adjective phrases made up of 多 and 少 are exceptions. For example, 很多朋友都帮助过我 Many friends have helped me. 很少人愿意做这样的工作 Few people are willing to do such a job. Some idiom-like 大 phrases are also exceptions. For example, 很大地方 lots of places. 很大空间 lots of space. 很大程度上 to a large extent. When a verb modifies a noun, 的 is necessary. Otherwise, it will become a verb plus object structure. Verb 的 noun is indeed the relative clause of Chinese. For example, 我买的苹果 the apple that I bought. 我买苹果 I buy apples. A verb phrase also have to take the in order to modify a noun. For example, 生活过的地方 the place where I've lived. 我买自行车的商店 the store where I bought the bike. In English, we can say research question and design team, both of which are noun phrases. Chinese has the same expression without the. 研究问题 research question. 设计团队 design team. Recap. Please read the following sentences with me and see if you can recall the grammatical points they represent. 日本的樱花很有名 Japanese cherry blossoms are very famous. 漂亮的樱花大家都喜欢 Everyone likes beautiful cherry blossoms. 我照的樱花还可以吧 The cherry blossom photo I took is good, right? 我们大学在车站旁边 Our university is next to the station. 我买了一个小茶杯 I bought a small teacup. 很多人喜欢吃煎鸡蛋 Many people like to eat fried eggs. 您正在看的是有朋汉语，谢谢观看，再见。